Good afternoon everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am LOKISX and today we are starting the vlog off with something a little different. What I'm going to go do is go for a test drive with Corey and we're just going to make sure that the car has no bugs and that it's going to be all good for his first track day in I think maybe 5 years, and the first track day that this car has done for I don't know how many years, a long time. And it sounds like his battery just died. What? Yeah, what's draining power? The thermos. They run off ignition as soon as you switch it. Okay, so the car's dead? Yeah, you just need to jump. They're draining too much power on it. You want my mirror to jump start your S14?
If it will, I don't care.
Your battery's in the boot, yeah? So that works out fine. Jumper cables are in the boot. Unfortunately, the jumper pack is dead. There you go. Yes, it is dead. That is very dead. I'm glad it's dead. It took like 4 months to die.
Oh, really?
So Corey is talking about 2 seconds. Aha! Take that! Ning ning ning! So Corey has factory optionals, the original factory louvers that came in some cars. You might be able to see them. So these little goodies light up, and I don't know if you can see it. No, he's got tinted windows. There is a, where's your Sylvia part? There it is right there. Very hard, almost impossible for me to see, but there's a like a little green Sylvia light in here. So these are OEM factory made by Nissan.
270. Yeah, it's a luxury.
Yeah, so it's just a luxury optional.
They're sick.
Yeah, they're cool.
When they work.
Let's see if the little mirror can, yay! I'm actually surprised it had enough juice to start it. And it does. It's going okay. Good little mirror. I really gotta get the new kit for this. So this is a low priority slow burner build at the moment, just because, as you guys know, I'm focusing more on the 180, and then straight after I've done the 180 I then have to fix the other 180 and the FD, and sorting out rego for it in future as a nice street car. Might need suspension yet, I'm not sure. It does have, I think, Öhlins or something in it. And you got Corey's one. I got a roof wing the other day, so same one as this, but it's in the garage, so that'll go on this. I'm tossing up whether or not I want to run a rear boot wing. Benjamin's got his sleeper drifter daily thing going on. Nighttime, daytime, nighttime, daytime. If you're like, what the hell am I doing? Look up, what is it? I think it's like an Allen squirrel. It's like a Discovery Channel spoof of, I think 2 pommies doing voiceovers for a documentary. It's funny, okay? It's just, yeah. Alan! Steve! Steve! Alan! So yeah, he runs 2 sets of calipers on the rear and runs like a standalone hydraulic system for his handbrake. But as we mentioned before, the car's been sitting for, how long's it been sitting for? Like 6 months?
Yes.
Yeah. 12, right, yeah. So it's just been sitting around for about a year. So we bled it last night, done a bit of a service, and now it's time for a test drive. If it doesn't die. you got a voltage drain coming from somewhere. Yeah, that's the only way your battery would have went dead if you charged it last night.
8.9, yeah.
8.9.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's no point. It'll just die the second you get it up the driveway. Well, due to the unfortunate voltage drop and dead battery that Corey is now suffering, we are not going for a test drive, so I'm just going to get straight into the 180. I've also got a good friend coming down from, I say down, up essentially, from the Gold Coast, who is a good friend of mine and a fiberglasser by trade, and he's a very switched on car guy as well. So he's going to come up and come check out what the madness, what I'm doing, if I'm doing it right, if I'm making any mistakes, and just give me some advice. And just maybe show me a few things so I don't screw anything up. Good.
I don't know. This thing's a rat nest. Terrible. Oh gosh, it just gets set on fire.
No negativity here.
It's not negativity.
It's negativity. Not hearing it, not listening. I'm not listening. La 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 la.
I get like 60,000.
I don't care. Stop whinging about it.
Prado debt paid off.
I don't care. More driving, less whinging. That is whinging. 100% whinging.
It's comfortable.
Whinge. Boo-hoo. Fix your damn race car and go driving.
I've literally got other shit I have to do. So.
That's not all I'm hearing is excuses, Corey. So, this is what friends are for, right? Corey has probably dropped a cell in his battery, and he's flagging, he's angry, he's depressed, and he's trying to find every excuse under the sun not to do this track day. Fortunately for him, I have an S14 here that runs with a battery, so I'm going to go lend him my battery, and he's going to do this track day. We'll see what other excuses he can come up with in the next 24 hours. Hey Corey! Corey! Go for it.
White and red.
I charged it the other day.
Oh, you're right.
It's got full charge. I like it. I want it open with my head.
How do we want to blow up the battery today?
Thank you. I don't care. Just take the battery and go drift.
No, we're blowing that one up. Go walkabout every 3 seconds.
Every toolbox should come with at least like 4 10mm. 6. 4. 4. 4 sockets and 2 spanners.
Each time you go down, I'm going up. 9.
Now we can take it for a quick strap around the block. It is red road. He has his rear plates on at the moment.
Oh, it's good having a break though.
Ah, that clutch. at the moment. It's hilarious. This is like a kind of a rich people area, and it's very snobby and laid back, but there's a lot of people that just do stuff like that.
And there's us.
And then, like, if you're not doing, like, you'll do the speed limit, and then they'll still be like, oh, slow down, even though you're doing like 40 in like a 60 zone, because they're all opinionated. But yeah, they're all snapping necks like, oh, what is this loud thing coming up behind me? And Corey's just like trying to drive normal.
Well,
This thing is just so obnoxious. So what's been done to the 1J, Corey?
Pretty much built ahead, bigger valves, bigger springs, 272 cams, poured and polished, going straight or left.
Alright.
R154 gearbox. Oh god, that clutch point is new. Hydro obviously, 3076, 1000cc wash injectors, factory rebuilt specs 3 years ago. Pretty...
So many Sunday guys.
It's not overly whirly, but it's enough for a fucking turn ahead to the street.
This is like driving a trumpet on the streets.
It's even better when you can do this. Well, that is something out.
Oh, what did you do? What did you
I broke
do?
something. Oh, that's bad.
Hey, Russ is here. Oh, R154 left.
That's definitely fucking gasket or something.
Just leave it running. Using an aerial as a chock. There you go.
There you go.
All good. Oh, hello. Everybody say hello to Russ.
Going on.
Not much. Just took Corey's car for a test drive and he blew something. There's no leaks.
Hey?
I said, yeah, there's no leaks.
And honestly, it's probably that rear gasket fucking for the exhaust.
You reckon it's a gasket?
Oh, that was loud.
Yeah.
You happen to hear it?
I heard some sort of crackling, but I didn't know what it was.
Did you hear a bang bang?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was just that was really loud.
What's it doing?
Well, he just took it for a test drive because the battery, he had a previous battery in it that dropped a cell.
Yep.
So I just lent him my battery and we took it around the block to see if it was okay, to see if it was all good for a track day on Tuesday.
Yeah.
But it went okay, it ran okay, but then he just limit bashed it, done a couple of pops and then,
Nothing wrong with that.
No,
Yeah.
you gotta clear the system somehow. You
Yeah.
can't do a skid, you just gotta hit.
yeah, he didn't skid. He was being fairly responsible. There was no skids in the area.
It's just really drony in second.
You don't shit in your backyard.
Exactly.
That's why I shut further down there.
Yeah.
Hey, it's not my backyard fucking.
Yeah, thanks. I'm now gonna have like, on the local community page, they're all gonna be like, oh, there's hoons in the streets again. I was trying to walk my dog the other day. You ruined my peace and quiet and the tranquility. Oh.